Hi everyone and welcome to Doppy Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make these tasty meatballs. So let's get cooking. For this we'll be making beef meatballs. Now we'll be using beef for this. So the first step will be to grind the beef. If you have a mincer you can use that and mince the beef. But for this I'm using a food processor to grind the beef. So now we've ground the beef into this. Next, you add the breadcrumbs, onion, salt, herbs. This herb is Cuban oregano to add extra flavor to it. I'll be using curry powder for this. Thyme. Crushed seasoning cubes. Eggs. The eggs will serve as the binder. So we're going to process some more. Just give that a go. And that is perfect. Now if it is too sticky you can add more breadcrumbs to this, okay, so it doesn't stick to your palms so much. Or if you do not want to add some more breadcrumbs, just add some oil to your palms and roll each ball. It wouldn't stick once you do that. So we're going to roll each ball into sizable bite-sized bits. And if we're going to store this for some time, I like to coat mine in flour. Okay, this is optional because I'm going to store some and freeze, so I like to roll it in flour so it doesn't stick together. But if you're going to use that immediately, you can skip that part. This is for the stored meatballs that will be going into the freezer. Now let's cook the meatballs. You pour some oil into your frying pan and you add your meatballs into the frying pan. You gently add them one at a time, making sure you do not crowd the pan, and fry till your meatballs are cooked thoroughly. Once the first side is cooked, you flip it over to ensure the next side is cooked too. Once it's cooked thoroughly, you remove the meatballs from the oil and you repeat this for the rest of the meatballs. Now, these are the meatballs that were coated in flour. This is just to show you how they are like the same. So you fry that on each side and remove it once it's well cooked on each side. Next, we're going to make the sauce. You reduce the oil in the pan and add your tomato and pepper paste, your tomato pepper puree. To learn how to do this, I'm going to put the link in the description below. You add that and you give that a good mix. You add your tomato paste, give that a good mix. The tomato paste is to give it a dark red color. You add your thyme, onion powder, curry powder, salt, and crushed seasoning. Give this a good mix and add water. Mix, then add the cooked meatballs. Leave this to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy. You can check out this pasta and meatball dish if you need ideas. Till next time, bye bye. To get the full recipe and explore more recipes, feel free to scan this code on the screen to gain access. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates.